Hi guys, my name is Rohit and I'm from Mumbai. I drive Thar diesel automatic. It's a pretty new car, recently purchased, hardly 1.5 months. And within a month, why I've upgraded my whole set of suspensions from stock to ARC. If you drive a Thar, you know it's almost a camel. And if you need your camel to be stabilized and you want to travel with your family, you have to upgrade your suspensions to make it stable, comfortable, reliable, and more safe when you're driving on high speeds actually. बहुत बड़ा myth है actually market में कि Thar is not at all a family vehicle. That's a myth. Four people can actually sit comfortably if you have a good set of suspensions. क्योंकि पीछे जो दो बैठे हैं, if they don't want to fly in air, then you have to upgrade to something better. That's about it. So I recently upgraded to ARC after taking a quick test drive. Uh, Things have changed. It's very smooth, very stable, rolls over bad surfaces easily. And let's see how the journey goes. In my recent road trip, there was a situation where I crossed rumbles at a speed of around 60, 65, and with the stock suspensions, as I was also moving with the vehicle, my hand twisted the steering, and literally the car tail spinned and took a U-turn on the same highway. It can be very scary when you are on a congested road where there's a lot of moving traffic, high speed moving traffic. Luckily, I was on a MP highway where there is very less traffic ongoing, and it was not a situation created. But at least if you have a good set of suspensions, you can crawl those rumbles. 50, 60 is not a very high speed for a 2.2-liter diesel engine, but if you have a good set of suspensions, you can actually overcome that situation very easily. So that's what I think. It's a must have upgrade for every Thar owner. They should look forward to suspension until unless Mahindra fixes it. This place is a wonderland for people like me. They have beautiful bikes, beautiful cars, all customized with different set of equipments. So I took a test ride of Emio, which is again a diesel automatic DSG gearbox. And if you ever driven a Volkswagen chassis or Volkswagen car, it has a very softer suspension on rear. Front is pretty much decent, but rear is again very bouncy when you are over tire pressure or if you are on a bad road. They converted AMU into an off-roader. That's what I would say. You don't have to apply brakes at all on small speed breakers actually, and it will never bottom out. That's for sure. So I'm planning to upgrade my. I drive Vento TSI as well, so I'm planning to upgrade my Vento suspensions too. Let's see. Hope for the best. Yeah.